Guangdong Yrbest High Polymer Technology Company, Limited is dedicated to providing customized, eco-friendly adhesive solutions. Our Yunming factory covers an area of over 160,000 square meters, with an annual production capacity exceeding 20,000 tons. Since its establishment, Yrbest has moved forward with passion and dedication, earning numerous honors along the way. Our efficient DCS intelligent automated production lines ensure strong productivity. Precise control guarantees consistency and high quality across all products. Here, advanced equipment merges seamlessly with refined craftsmanship. Every process follows strict standards, with meticulous attention to every detail. Quality is our lifeline. Every product undergoes multiple rigorous inspections, ensuring that only the best can enter the market. From production to storage, every step is orderly and precise. These products, carrying our commitment to quality and integrity, are ready to reach customers around the world. We're looking forward to joining hands with you to bond the future and achieve dreams together.